be making butterfly locks. Hair is clean but not oiled, not combed at all. So soon when she comes, I'll take you guys on the journey. Please subscribe, like, share. Hi guys, so I'm about to start my hair, my locks, and she's here, so watch. Bye guys.
Right now she's detangling my hair with her fingers. Later on she used the miracle leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair, guys. So yeah,
Did I tell you guys that these are handmade locks? Take a look at it. It's beautiful. Going to the shops. Anyways, so right now guys, she's putting this shine and jam, you guys can see it, conditioning gel extra hold, because my hair is natural.
so guys, after detangling my hair, she weaves my hair one at a time, or one just like this. She applies the gel on my scalp and just starts weaving my hair. For this style I wanted like a triangular pattern, so she does this all over my hair until she's done with my hair. That's what she does. Just make sure it's neat, not painful. So yeah, she opens up the loop of the locks, then passes a crochet through it. Then she uses it to take the passion twist. She drags it out. Then she has gotten what she wanted. You can just try it out yourself. Now she uses the crochet to pass through my hair, like towards the scalp, but not injuring me at all. Do not injure your clients, or if you're doing it for yourself, do not injure yourself. Then she opens up the crochet, then puts the hair inside, then drags it out. She drags out just one side and not the whole thing. Now she starts wrapping it until she's done. While she's wrapping it, first of all you just wrap it until then she starts making a loop with her fingers. It's very easy guys, you can practice it. She makes loops with her fingers until she's satisfied. Keep on making the loop. You can even when you run out, so when you run out of your passion twist, you add extra like she just did. Then you continue making your loop, continue with it until you are satisfied till the end. So when you get to the end, just wrap it till you're done.
For me, I'm expensive.
Right now she's applying the mousse on my hair. That's the last thing you should do when you're done with your hair. And for these locks, they do not put it inside the water. I haven't seen locks that they put inside the water anyways, but it's not advisable to put your locks in water because it will tangle. So yeah, just put your mousse, then you're done, baby girl. So yes, the after result guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.